3, 2, 1, ignition. Let's go.
Welcome on the London's pavements.
Hello guys, my name is Adam. Right now I'm on Westminster Bridge in London and I'm speaking foreign language. It's about Big Ben and its big time renovation. Now look at this lovely lit scaffolding. You won't see it on postcards, folks. They are going to tweak this tower until 2021. It's very tempting to go up there and change the time. That would be hell of a prank. Probably they would shoot me down before I reach the top. Yes people, we are living in dangerous times. There is high security around here and police with rifles that don't fool around. Well, those stairs look solid, but it ain't worth risking it. Hell no. Well, I'm just saying that there is plenty of great sightseeing in this area. With all the lights on after dark, it looks just fantastic. But recording it with your cell phone is not the best idea. I mean, nowadays smartphones are amazing, but at night, in the low light, they are still challenged for photography and video. So this is how London Eye looks like through the eye of my Samsung S7. And this bunch of people armed with tripods signed up for the course of street photography. Okay, set your cameras. Ready, steady, snap! Just look how many people has come to see the beautiful London. Well, I must admit that London Eye After Dark has got that wow factor. It looks like a red portal to another dimension. And this is how London Eye looks like on my mirrorless camera NX1. You can clearly see the difference. It's time to bump up the ISO to brighten up the night. There is a lion statue nearby. I don't know, for some reason I think it's got a really stupid face expression. Looks like someone stole his whiskas. Don't panic, it's safe on London bridges. No one's gonna run you over. You see those steel barriers? They could stop a tank. Do you feel being watched? Here's one. There's another. And over there the third one. 3 cameras next to each other. Total invigilation. Welcome to Westminster. That's the name of this area of the city. Right across the road there is an entrance to the underground tube station. We're not going to mess about now, crossing the busy street. We're going to get there using another entrance, which is right here, next to the very Big Ben. What the hell they've done to the poor Big Ben? They've turned it into some sort of rocket that is about to launch into Mars. If you don't know what to do, let the arrows guide you. Dressing up in Union Jack might be a good way to get more coins. Here, I can hear loud and clear. Let's follow the music. I think I've heard it somewhere. Many times. There he is. Our abuser. I wonder if he does any better with coins. Looks like you can get a living out of this atrocity. What the hell happened? And where the hell am I? Is this some kind of jungle? Ah, gotcha! You see, by the Big Ben, they even have palm trees. Anyway, this beautiful square is surrounded by the statues of very important people. Right in the middle, on the honorable place, an advocate of peaceful revolution who fought for Indian independence from British rule, Mahatma Gandhi. And next to him, also very important person, security guard, making sure that no one is going to draw him a mustache. Hang on, he always had a mustache. his entire life. Over there, Churchill. You know, I don't get it why they made him look like a hunchback from Notre Dame. I doubt that people remember him that way. He should look like a strong, proud figure, like he was at the prime of his life.
Victorious man waving a British flag.
What do we have here? A Japanese motif under the Big Ben, geisha in London. Konnichiwa! I can hear the siren. Police is coming. Maybe these guys are from Yakuza. They are packing some dodgy parcels in the car. Yes, miss, just right there, round the corner. You can buy the best Polish sausage in the town. Okay guys, let's go back in time now and see how it all started. Over a year ago, was there any scaffolding here? Hello, can anyone hear me? What the hell is going on here? What a pitiful diversion on the main crossroad. You can only turn left or right. Cannot go straight ahead by the Big Ben. Well, at least they stopped drilling the road. I couldn't hear my own thoughts. There is a lot of digging going on here. The street is completely ripped. Now, this crossing has become a sweet spot for making pictures. Everyone wants to have a selfie with Big Ben in the background. Well, it is what it is. What a pile of rubble. Let's keep going. Take cover, we're under fire! Blimey, they drill so hard, my screen shakes. Looks like they are messing with the tower as well. In London we have a summer of renovation. Here's one crane, but look at the horizon, there is loads of them. It is so windy today, it's hard to record clear sound. I have to hold my cap, so it doesn't get blown off to the River Thames. Wedding pictures on the bridge, why not? I think they are not locals. They must have come from far, far away to do that. And if you are feeling suicidal after your divorce, jumping off that bridge may not be lethal. Drinking that water, however, will finish you off. Just look at the color. It's brown. Apart from that, Houses of Parliament are also under renovation. You must admit that during the day, London Eye doesn't look so demonic. Hey, welcome back to the future. There is so many people on this pavement that it's really hard to cross this bridge. Oops, pardon me, sorry. Hey, watch where you're going. Come on, people, just move along. Yeah, I'm waiting like a sucker for a green light. Meanwhile, the mighty Big Ben still chimes the hour. You know, they wanted to turn him off for the period of conservation, but it wouldn't be a good idea. Silent Big Ben, it just doesn't sound right. There is no entrance, you can only exit through here. It is written that attempt of trespassing will be treated as criminal offense. Well, we don't want that. Let's just move on. I have a feeling there is something interesting to see. Just look what this renovation has done to Houses of Parliament. They transformed its Gothic style into some futuristic geometric shape. Okay, let me tell you a secret. The Houses of Parliament are full of asbestos, which is very harmful to health. Well, it happened because after the Second World War, when London was rebuilding itself, asbestos materials were used everywhere. They were resistant to fire and had a good insulation properties. Nobody really knew the consequences of it. Beside that, there are also 4,000 windows to be repaired. They are not weatherproof and are causing a lot of heat loss, not to mention leaking roofs and general wear and tear. If you were ever wondering what they are selling under the Elizabeth Tower, because that's the official name of Big Ben, so you can buy yourself baseball cap named London, t-shirt with such phrase, t-shirt with British Union Jack on a flag, unionized pen. You can also catch here hop and off bus, which will take you to most popular sites of the city. And after buying yourself 1000 things with Union Jack in the logo, you can relax and have a waffle or a pancake. Yay! What? Were you expecting something else? Click, 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 snap, snap, snap. Yes, folks, this episode is coming to an end. Let's just have some final looks how Big Ben looks nowadays in December 2018. Bit like a chimney, doesn't it? Hey, stop this man! He shaved off Gandhi's mustache.